Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Telegram download error on settings. We will click here on settings, then we come here to settings window and we will go down. We will click here on apps, then we come here to apps window and we will just go down here to looking for Telegram app, and this is window, and we will just go down to found Telegram app and we will click here on Telegram. Then we come to this is window here, like you say. We will click here on force stop, then we will click here on OK, and we will click here on storage. Then we come to storage window. We will click here on clear cache, then we will click here on manage storage, and we will just go up here. We will click here on app, then you will just click here on clear local, and it's gone, and you turn off your phone and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.